Like the bombers had some effect, but we also lost one. Looks like we've got a pilot struggling, looking for help. Oh, some French citizens. Hopefully they can help him out before the Germans notice he's coming in.
Hey, please. Don't be seen. Bring home, please.
They're going to be concealed pretty soon. The French ladies are distracting the guards. Of course, they're tired of the war. It's been in since 1939. Uh-oh. Looks like we got an officer coming on site. You better get away from those girls. We're going to interrogate the ladies, see if they saw any pilot come down, find out what's going on. They're starting the search in earnest. Uh-oh. They're heading. Oh, we got the pilot in there. They found a chicken. Well, it's not the French anymore. They found a parachute. I think they're going to be looking a lot closer to find that pilot now. They know he's somewhere around here. I don't know. And that officer's in it. He's looking at hay wagon again. I hope that pilot's all right. He was injured before he went in there. Thank God we got the infantry coming in. our suppressive crowd. Flank them, get around them, cut through them. All carry out the casualties. We got them down. A little short. French lady.
Yeah, baby.
Trying to escape. That guy's pretty tough. I hope you get him. I wonder if they pierced the heart of that pilot in there. Hopefully it's still okay. That's right.
Yeah, baby. Yeah!
Well, once they secure the area, they'll be looking for the pilot. Maybe the French citizens can tell him where he is. Look, I think there's still one of those crowds in that building. I think one of the partisans is going to help the pilot out. Yeah, I hope he's okay. How about you? Wait, he survived!
Yeah!
And the bell's caught him on that wagon.
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the reenactors a hand.
Yeah!
Good job. Each one has a major investment of time, and they study history to be totally accurate. Ah, my chérie. Aren't you a damn, mademoiselle?
Try it, I'll try it.
Fly boys always get the girls. While the grunters swing with their Jeep. Each one of the vehicles is privately owned, maintained, and all the weapons are placed on the vehicle and purchased to make it look real. And it is. What do you think? Give him a hand, guys. We'll be doing our weapons demo tomorrow about the same time. Hopefully Patton will come again. And we'll be fighting those same damn crowds.